Greetings to all. I am T. Yesudas, Assistant Professor of Physics, Vishavibar College, Tiruchirappalli. Today we are going to see about nuclear physics. Introduction. A center core of an atom is called nucleus. It contains protons and neutrons. Proton is a positively charged particle and neutron is a no charged particle. Next, general properties of nucleus. Nuclear size. The mean radius of an atomic nucleus is of the order of 10 power minus 14 to 10 power minus 15 meter. The empirical formula for the nucleus radius is R equal to R naught A power 1 by 3, where A is the mass number and R naught equal to 1.3 into 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Next, nuclear mass. Assumed nuclear mass equal to ZMP plus NMN. Therefore, real nuclear mass less than ZMP plus NMN. ZMP plus NMN minus real nuclear mass equal to delta M, where delta M is called mass defect. Next, nuclear density. Nuclear density rho n equal to nuclear mass divided by nuclear volume. The value of nuclear density is 1.816 into 10 to the power of 17 kilogram meter power minus 3. Next, nuclear charge. The charge of the nucleus is due to the protons contained in it. Each proton has a positive charge of 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Next, spin angular momentum. Both the proton and neutron, like the electron, have an intrinsic spin. The spin angular momentum Ls equal to root of L into L plus 1 into h pi 2 pi, where the quantum number L, commonly called the spin, is equal to 1 by 2. Next, resultant angular momentum. In addition to the spin angular momentum, the protons and the neutrons in the nucleus have an orbital angular momentum. Next, classification of nuclei. Isotope. Same atomic number and different mass number is called isotope. Isobars. Same mass number and different atomic number is called isobars. Isotones. Nuclei with an equal number of neutrons is called isotones. Isomers. Same atomic and mass number but differ nuclear energy states is called isomers. Mirror nuclei. Same mass number but with the proton and neutron number interchanged. Next, nuclear force. Certain forces acting between the nucleons that bind them into the nucleus. Nuclear forces are short range force. Nuclear forces are charge independent. Nuclear forces are strongest known force in nature. Nuclear forces have saturation property. There are three kinds of attractive forces in the nucleus. 1. Proton-proton. 2. Neutron-neutron. 3. Neutron-proton. Thank you.